I got a short video for you. Choices are super easy. I'll do one with the text box I showed off before and one without it. So this is the text box we got already where you go to the next sentence when you press the space button, but we don't want that if we're waiting for an answer. Get rid of all that waiting stuff. We're going to save the close broadcast though. On the side, make a variable for your choice and set it to 0. This is going to be your new wait scripts. Broadcast choice box to get the choices to show up. The rest of the script isn't going to work until a choice is made. This is what the wait script is for. After a choice is made, the sprite sees what choice was made and says or does whatever you want depending on what was chosen. I made it so the character says what your choice was. Put it back under the original scripts. I also added a wait for a space to be pressed at the bottom there so people could read what the character says after a choice is made. For the buttons, make a yes and a no costume. I want the buttons to spawn instantly, so we're going to run without screen refresh. In the button script, spawn the buttons when the choice box is told to show up. I like making buttons get darker when you hover over them so they look clickable, so this is what I'm doing in this forever script. Last part for the sprite, this sets the choice to whatever the costume name was, then hides the buttons. This is how it ends up working. If you don't want to use a text box, I've made a new project. Make your choices. I'm doing 2, but you could do as many as you want. I've named them option 1 and 2. I'm doing something similar with this sprite, but instead of clicking the flag to get a prompt, you click on the character. Same thing, set the choice variable to 0, call the choice box, wait until a choice is made, and then have the character react to it. Run without screen refresh again to spawn the choices instantly. Same as the other example, the buttons will get darker when you hover over them. Same clicking scripts that also deletes the buttons after, and that's all you have to do for this all to work.